Let's see if it actually works. That with my handshake. Fucking oscillation. Still got a lot to do though. Haven't done that tab, I've got these. I need to add more to that. Colours are wrong. Haven't got hysteresis. Need to add Wi-Fi. Warnings. Shitloads of settings. Quick menu. And the actual algorithms to control it all. Now I should have it done really soon. If you're wondering why those white dots are there, that's just me testing screen calibration. It shows where I've pressed, and that's just literally for testing. No, it's getting there. Just the initial stages.